Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to export a sheet to Excel in Smartsheet. All right, so first up, log into your Smartsheet account. And then once you're in here on your dashboard, just go ahead over to Home and make sure to select the sheet that you would like to export. Just click on it, wait for it to load. And once it loads, okay, in the left panel, again, make sure to select the correct sheet. Now, once done, just go to the top, click on File, and here you have the export option. As you can see here, you have a ton of options, but most importantly, we're going to select Export to Microsoft Excel. So just click on it, and there will be a download page. Right here, save it wherever you want. Rename it if you want to. If not, just hit on Save. Wait for it. And as you can see here, the download is done. When you go ahead and click on it, here we have the data of the sheet. You can now go ahead and save it wherever you want. That's basically it. That is how you export a sheet to Excel in Smartsheet. Well, I hope this video helps. I'll see you in the next one.